Get ready to improve your English reading. Our first sound today is ah, 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 ah. This is another spelling of ah, 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 ah. Here we have er, 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 er. And another spelling of er, 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 er. And the final spelling of er, 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 er. And a very important suffix, shun, shun, shun. AU is not used at the end of English words because they don't end in the letter U. AW can be used at the end. Of the three spellings of ER is by far the most common. Let's practice reading some words with these spellings. Ah, hall. This will have a long O sound. Auto, fault, fraud. Another spelling of ah, claw, saw, yawn, pawn, fern, verb, perm, ever, bird, dirt, flirt. CH says ch most of the time. Chirp. Y at the end of a longer word usually has a long E sound. Furry, hurry, curry, blurt. This is the shun suffix. In all of these words, the underlined vowel will have its long sound. Nation, potion, lotion, notion, motion. These words will have short vowels. Action, ration, option, fiction, fraction. OR says or, portion, auction. ER can be used at the end of the word as a suffix as well. It can be used to compare two things or to state that something is a person who performs an action. For example, here we have the word bake with the silent E making the A have its long sound, and a person who bakes is a baker. Here we have box, boxer, game, gamer, joke, joker, fat, fatter, hot, hotter. You might wonder why there are two T's in these words. If the root word has a short vowel sound and one consonant at the end, we double the consonant before adding er. Let's practice all of these sounds. Slaw, bird, girl, fur. This Y will have a long E sound. Furry. SH says sh, shy. Remember that Y at the end of a short word has a long I sound. Straw, herd, smirk, draw, taunt, claw, dirt, dirty, vault. Let's practice with some sentences. Paul can haul the big log. Paul can haul the big log. I saw the hawk, EA has a long E sound most of the time, eat the fox. I saw the hawk eat the fox. The dog made a muddy paw print. Did you notice the Y had a long E sound here? The dog made a muddy paw print. The law says you cannot serve raw chicken. CH says ch. The law says you cannot serve raw chicken. SH says sh. The baker has butter on his shirt. The baker has butter on his shirt. The fatter cat had dirt on her fur. The fatter cat had dirt on her fur. Murky. Notice the Y has the long E sound. Murky means dark and hard to see because of fog, smoke, or there not being enough light. For example, I did not see the fish in the murky water. Exert. To exert yourself is to use a lot of strength or effort to do something. Do not exert yourself. You are sick and need to rest. Whirl. Notice this H is silent. Whirl means to move in a circle. The wind moved the leaves in a whirl across my yard. Brawny. Brawny means strong and muscular. We need a brawny man to help us move this heavy couch. Gaunt. A person who is gaunt is way too thin. They're skeletal looking, meaning looking like a skeleton, or sickly looking. He was gaunt after being lost in the jungle for 2 months. If you found this useful, please share it with others on X, Facebook, and WhatsApp.